Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about separation of variables. This topic is under the differential equations. This maths is intended for students who are majoring in mathematics and sophomore engineering students. I have here number 1, x y cubed dx plus round brackets y plus 1 times e to the negative x dy is equal to 0. So since this is variable separable, so I need to divide everything by y cubed times e to the negative x. Then this one also, y cubed times e to the negative x. And then the last will be y cubed times e to the negative x. So this will be crossed out. So I have x dx over e to the negative x plus, this will be crossed out, e to the negative x. So I have round brackets y plus 1 dy over y cubed is equal to 0. So applying algebra for this function, so this will be e laws of negative exponent. This will be e to the positive x. Then this will be dx plus y over y cubed dy, then plus dy over y cubed is equal to 0. So this will be x e to the x dx, laws of exponent. So this will be when n is greater than m, so this will be dy over y squared, because you have to subtract 3 minus 1, that is y squared. Then plus, this will be y to the negative 3 dy is equal to 0. Since I have a limited space of my whiteboard, I need to erase this one. So this will be x e to the positive x dx, then plus, this will be y negative 2 dy, then plus y negative 3 dy is equal to 0. Then I will integrate individually. This will be integral x e to the x dx plus integral of y raised to negative 2 dy plus integral y raised to negative 3 dy is equals to integral of 0. So I need to use this one, integration by parts, uv minus integral video. So this is the standard formula for integration by parts. So u will be my x, and then derivative of x is dx. Then dv is e to the x. Then this will be integrate both sides. So this will be v is equal to ex, e to the x I mean. So uv, u is x, and then v is e to the x minus integral of v. V is ex, then du, so dx. Then I need to copy this one, integral of y negative 2 dy, that will be n plus 1. So this will be y negative 1 over negative 1. So this will be plus y negative 1, y negative 1 over negative 1 then plus integral of y raised to negative 3 dy. So n plus 1, this will be minus 2 over minus 2. So this will be plus y raised to the negative 2 over negative 2. Then the integral of 0 is constant. So this will be e to the x. Sorry, x times e to the x minus integral of this. This will be e to the x. Then this one will be plus, okay, this will be 1 over negative y. Then this will be plus 1 over negative 2y squared is equal to c. Using factoring, so common is e to the x. Then I have here x, then minus 1. Because I divide this one, e to the x divided by e to the x, that will be 1. And then this one, this will be positive divided by negative, this will be negative. 1 over y. Then this will be positive divided by negative, this will be minus 1 over 2y squared is equal to c. So I have here e to the x, round brackets, x minus 1 is minus 1 over y, minus 1 over 2y squared is equal to c. So I need to transpose a negative to the right. So this will be e to the x times round brackets x minus 1 is equal to, transpose to the right, this will be positive, 1 over y. Then this will be transpose again, this will be plus 1 over 2y squared, then this will be plus. So this is my final answer. That's all.